Try this gentle yin flow to calm your body and prepare you for a restful sleep. My name is Michelle, and thank you for joining me for Yoga Bliss. Let's begin coming into tabletop position. Just find some gentle sways here forward and back, sending those hips towards those heels, and gently back to center. Maybe some gentle movement here side to side. And let's move through some cat-cows here, connecting to our breaths. Inhale, opening up through that heart space. Exhale, opening up through the back of the heart. And again, inhale, shoulders down and back. Exhale, send that tailbone under. And inhale, feeling through that back. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale. Gently back to center. Let's take that lunge forward. Inhale, exhale, release your chest down. Maybe having a blanket for the head in just a moment. So we're going to take that right knee, bring it towards that right shoulder. So finding openness through that hip. We'll begin to release our chest down. Option to take those arms to goalpost. And maybe releasing that head towards that right shoulder. Inhale. And exhale. Expansion through the back. Inhale. Exhale. And one more here. Inhale. Exhale, releasing through the front of the body. Allowing yourself to settle into shoulders and hips. Noticing the support beneath you, allowing the body to be heavy. Deep in breath. Exhale, gently release the leg behind you. Release those hands in front of you, sending the forehead to those hands, coming into Crocodile Pose. Deep in breath here. Exhale, settling into the front side of the body. And let's find our half frog on the other side. So bringing that left knee towards that left shoulder, finding the arm position, head position that works for you. And let's breathe together here. Expansion through the back. Inhale and exhale. And again, inhale, exhale, fill the body with the breath. Inhale, exhale, settling into the body. Allowing yourself to drop into the shoulders, into the hips. Exhale, gently release that leg back. Let's find crocodile pose again. Bring that focus into the feet as we breathe here on that inhale, sending that breath up the body to the crown of the head. Inhale. Exhale, send it back down. And again, inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Just make our way up, bring those hands to the rib cage, shifting through tabletop position. Let's find some circular movement here, whichever way you want to go first. Just allowing that energy to release, move through the body. And you can reverse those circles. And gently back to center. Let's walk our knees forward, coming onto those sit bones. Make our way down to our backs, just taking your time. Send those hips a few inches to that left side. We'll drop our knees to the right. We'll give you the option here to stack your left knee over the right, then drop those knees to that right side. It's a little deeper stretch there. Wherever you'd like to take the arms, but maybe releasing that left arm out from that left shoulder. Settling into that right side of the body. Inhale through the left rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. And again. Inhale. Exhale. Fill the entire body with the breath. Inhale. Exhale with the entire body. Inhale. Exhale gently back through center, feet flat. Send those hips a few inches to that right side. Option to stack right knee over the left. And to exhale as you release to that left side. So it's using that breath as our anchor, allowing that breath to wash over mind and body. And allowing our bodies to rest. Deep in breath. Exhale, gently releasing those knees, releasing the feet back to center. Let's take a block, bolster, a pillow, place that underneath the sacrum. We'll find legs up the wall, the heels to the sky, settling into that back side of the body. We'll be here for a few breaths. Let's send that breath up the legs to the feet. Inhale and exhale back down. One more here. Inhale and exhale. Gently release the feet. Releasing the block from beneath you. And releasing those legs, finding your version of Shavasana.
The art of living is neither careless drifting on the one hand, nor fearful clinging to the past on the other. It consists in being sensitive to each moment, and regarding it as utterly new and unique, and having the mind open and receptive. Alan Watts.
Always have the option to remain in Shavasana for longer, but otherwise begin to find movement in hands and feet, fingers and toes. Slowly blinking the eyes open, bringing your feet flat when you feel ready, finding some gentle sways. Make your way to your side of choice, take that pause. Gently make your way up into your version of easy seat. On the inhale, send the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. And allow yourself to carry this sense of calm into your evening. Grateful to our bodies for allowing us to practice. I'm grateful to share this practice with you. The light within me acknowledges the light within you. Thank you for practicing with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and or comment below. I would love to connect with you. Have a beautiful evening.